Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its power moonroof. You have your heated front seats and your rear parking sensors. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. Taking a closer look just over on the side, you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And we're just going to take a closer look at the second row really quickly here. So, as you can see, you have your second row captain seats. You have the sunshade visors located in your third and second row windows. And then if you want to find the close button, just located for the sliding rear doors, it'll be located on the inside of the pillar there. Push it on once, it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is pre-dawn gray. Now, taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your gray interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Rear parking sensors on and off, traction control on and off. You have your blind spot monitoring on and off as well for the mirror there. So with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you if there is another vehicle right beside you. Mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, scroll function for the multi-informational display with your cruise control. And it does offer the push button start, so all you have to do is push button on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we actually scroll through, you have your digital speedometer with a distance to empty, fuel economy, all-wheel drive. You can also go through and take a look at your compass, audio, messages, and your settings menu. You have an exterior temperature gauge, and taking a closer look now at the center dash as well as the display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if you go inside the apps menu, you have your navigation, audio, phone, as well as a couple of other additional features. Temperature control is located down below with your hazard lights, and you also have your dual zone climate control settings with the rear temperature controls located down below. USB and auxiliary input with your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your power outlets. And taking a look up top, you have the auto dimming rear view mirror with the integrated garage door opener and your digital compass, along with the power sliding rear doors, power liftgate release, sunglass case holder, and then taking a look at the backup camera. As you can see, you have those nice guiding lights in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your rear bumper, you're going to see your parking sensors located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release located just underneath. Closing in on the rear cargo space, you have a 60-40 split for the third row, so if you need more additional cargo space, it is available to you. But if you need more additional passenger capacity, you have that option available for you as well. Now, for additional cargo space, you do have a spot located on the left-hand side there if you do have some additional passengers. And you have the power outlet located on the right-hand side. Now, to actually fold the seats, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there, just in case you do forget. And then when you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically, making things a lot easier for you, especially when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.